How to turn off calls vibrate on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off calls vibrate on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and scroll down until you find vibrate and then click off. And that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to turn off calls vibrate on WhatsApp. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.